Next, the cooking and melting section plays a critical role. Here, large industrial cookers or kettles are used to heat the raw fat at controlled temperatures. Once the fat has been melted, it moves to the filtration and separation stage. High-efficiency filters and centrifuges remove impurities and solid residues, leaving behind pure liquid fat. This step is crucial for enhancing the quality and shelf life of the final product. Following filtration, the fat enters the cooling and solidification phase. Finally, the packaging system completes the production line. Automated packaging machines ensure that the rendered fat is sealed in appropriate containers, ready for distribution. Throughout the process, advanced control systems monitor and regulate temperature, pressure. This comprehensive setup not only maximizes productivity but also minimizes waste, making it an environmentally friendly choice. By integrating these components, manufacturers can produce high-quality chicken fat efficiently and cost-effectively.